Hey everyone, so we are a week away from the Madison New Year. That means 2 weeks away from the Milwaukee Hmong New Year and a month away from the Green Bay one. I know, it's gotta be one crazy month, and I've also got some family things going on. But yesterday I had practiced with the little ones to make sure that we get their fan dance done for the Milwaukee and Green Bay Hmong New Year. And then we'll be cleaning up their other dances for the Madison New Year tomorrow as we practice for that. And we'll also be making sure that they have all the final pieces that they need done for their outfits so that they all match. And if there is anything missing, I can provide that. So it's a busy time right now, sewing, making sure everyone gets everything done, being really strict and Abby Lee Miller dance teachers on them so that, I make sure that they stay focused and I'm strict on them so they're ready for the pressure. So we just got done with our practice at the New Year. It's Wednesday night, the day before Thanksgiving. We just got done. Valentina, Angel. We got Debbie here and the rest of the crew going home. It's like 7:20 in the morning. We are on our way to the Madison Hmong New Year. It's like about a 20-minute drive. We have to be there by 8 in the morning or we get disqualified, but I just need to go and find a place and settle and make it my own since I have, 17 dancers to get ready today. So this is the crew. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
These are mainly my sisters and then Sydney, of course. So how do you guys all feel? You guys want to take turns? How you guys feel? You first, Tina.
I feel super excited and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Angel. Or Sunny. I feel worried. I don't know, nervous. I feel tired.
You feel tired?
I don't know.
How do you feel, Layla?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
I feel nothing.
I feel just busy. Whatever happens, happens. It'll be fun. It'll be worth it.
I'm excited because I love dancing.
See you guys at the New Year. I'm taking a little break from getting them ready. I've been doing hair and makeup this whole time. I'm on my last person to do makeup on. Here's everyone getting ready. Just the big girls. You see little Shonai over there. This hair's all cute and handsome. Yeah, so we've been doing this since we got here, which was like 7:30. It's already 10:34. We're gonna be dancing at noon around there. So a lot of time has gone by, and all we've been doing is getting ready. So, yep. Hey, you might not be able to hear me, but we're on the New Year right now. It's dance competition. My girls are up next. So here I'm sitting in the front. That's the whole New Year. This is the group before us. They're really good. They're really talented. I told my girls if they want to win, they can't focus on the other team. They have to focus on themselves. They have to act like winners if they want to win. And they have to be the best they can, of them. Their own, be their own and do their best at it. I'm so nervous. I'm nervous for them. I'm not on stage, but I'm so nervous for them. But I know they can do well.
Okay. But so the other number, Madison Hmong.
I know. Oh, Monica, I had my phone.
Oh.
I was freaking out the whole time.
Okay, come join us.
chỉ có lần
We are backstage right now. We just got done warming up with the little ones. There they are saying hi.
I'm her sister.
That's Lila. That's Eva. You guys want to say your names and how you guys feel?
I'm scared for some reason, but yeah, I'm also excited.
How do you feel?
Nervous.
What's your name?
Lila.
That's Alexa. She dances too.
Sydney, I feel nervous.
You feel good? Nervous? Don't be nervous. This is Debbie. Debbie, how do you feel?
Good.
Good? Lydia,
Hi.
how do you feel?
Okay.
Okay. Shongnai, how do you feel?
Nervous.
You're nervous? Don't be nervous. You guys already said it? This is Macy. Macy, how do you feel?
Excited.
Excited? So those are my little dancers. There's singing going on right now. There's about 3 or 4 more singers. We've already rehearsed. There's Alexis again. So now it's just a matter of like we're just backstage, relaxing, getting our thoughts together, you know, not running around. So that Jocelyn and I have to redo their outfits. Like Jocelyn's already redoing Debbie's outfit. We just did it like, I don't know, 30 minutes ago. So yeah, I'll follow up while when they are performing, okay? Okay, so we're right next to the stage. They're up next. So the first one for the B group. What are we, guys?
We are fun. We are energetic. We are winners.
Winners and fun and energetic. Yes. Okay, stay confident. We know this dance, right? Yeah, we know this dance. Okay, focus, smile. You only have 3 minutes to show them what you guys got, right? Sydney, right? You only have 3 minutes to show the judges that we are winners, okay? Yeah, a couple of seconds was that. Go, yeah, go. I want to be in the back. Let's go. We're going to the other side. Jocelyn's in the front watching. Going to be like this, reminding you to be energetic and just smile. Okay.
當時嘅就係呢個家門一路同我哋嘅呢 safety first 嘅標準觀念同樣咧，當時咧比如我哋嘅話都叫我哋 safety
Go, 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 go. Come over here. Go off the stage. Go off the stage. Go off the stage. It's slippery.
我真係拿住呀。
Oh, look at it's slippery. So they have to get off and they're gonna clean the stage. Try to clean the stage first. The floor is slippery. That's why they said. Because they threw powder. Someone threw powder on it. The other dancers. So we gotta make sure it's clean. You guys have to clean the stage because it's slippery, they said. Okay? That's why. Did you guys slip? Did anyone slip? Yeah. Try this again. Smile. Focus. Fun. All right. Let's try this again. I cleaned it up. I mopped it. Kind of dry, so I hope it works. Maybe I'll go to the front. let's go see them now. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's go sit and let's go watch everyone else now.
I messed up twice.
I know you did. You have to focus. It's okay, guys. It's okay. How do you guys feel you guys did? How do you guys feel?
Good.
Good? How do you guys feel?
Good.
Good? Yeah?
Eva talked. You messed up twice? She said I think I messed.
Eva talked? Eva, you talked? Eva, did you talk on stage? She said you talked. You said you messed up. It's okay, guys. Good job, guys. 4:25 right now. We finally got done with the dance competition. So I've been here since like 7. It's 4 now. Felt like I worked all day long. Jeez. Ooh. Okay. But before I go, I'm gonna go get some papaya. Now that dance competition's all done, look at this. It's empty. And they're gonna get ready for the party. I've got my backpack on. Ooh. With all my dance stuff. Some of my Hmong clothes and still my heels on. I know my feet is killing me. But I can't wait to have some papaya. Look how empty this place is though right now. It's been a crazy day. But I think tomorrow's just, you know, gonna get better. I'm gonna go home and rest and then eat my papaya at home. And then tonight I practiced with my older girls from 6 to 9 working on their Bollywood dance, making sure that, you know, they give their best performance tomorrow. That's what we're doing. We're practicing. It's about 8 o'clock, 8:10. We're gonna finish practicing around 9. We're starting at 6. Not everyone's here, but we got 6 people, and you know that's better than none. That just means that these 6 would be more ready tomorrow, which is fine. We worked on our Bollywood dance, and this competition only has 2 rounds, but in case of a tie, we have to prepare our 3rd dance. So we're just, you know, focusing on our 3rd dance too, and making sure that we have that in place and ready, just, you know, in case, because we haven't done this one in a while, and we haven't been really focusing on it lately for this, especially with this competition. So yeah, these are the girls. I know, I'm driving right now, but I'm at my parents' house, basically, just pulling in the driveway right now, so it's okay, right? Okay, anyways, it's 7 o'clock in the morning right now, at my parents' place. Got up at 5:30 to do hair and makeup, to go get the kiddos, and then we'll be on our way to the New Year. Hey. Hi, it's 8:30 right now. We're getting ready. This is our room right now. All the big girls are helping me get the little ones ready because they danced first today. And my older girls are gonna practice their Bollywood dance a little bit too. And they're gonna be sweating, so yeah. I'm doing Angel's makeup so far. She's got one eye done. Still working the other eye, and we'll work on the rest. You guys wanna say anything for my vlog?
Subscribe. You'd be like Grayson. Peace.
Yes, so we've got Becky over there doing the little kids' makeup. And then everyone else is helping out do the hair. Here. Why don't you guys give this to the ones who didn't perform yesterday? You guys can say how you guys feel about today. So Jake, you first. How do you feel?
So excited.
Excited? What about you, Lydia? What? You are? Oh, you guys are all so cute. Running around like crazy. My show group's about to perform. Here they are. We're kind of behind time. Now I have to find my sister for the flowers to give to them. Freaking out. But there they are. I had to get the crew with flowers. Oh, rushing around. There they are. preparing on my girls, but I have these girls who are doing show. Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're cheering on.
No, I'm in your clothes.
Show performance.
Yes? Show performance? Are you guys excited? Yeah. Yeah.
I like this song.
So the other group. Did you see my little ones over there waving? Let's go over there and say hi to them. They're gonna be competing right after this group that's in Korean dancing. It's really different, but there's no rule in this competition that says you can't do modern dancing or you have to do a specific style of dancing. So yes, hey there. You guys excited? Yeah, you guys ready? You guys better rock it. Be cute, be fun, be winners, right? Use your hips, smile. Always remember to smile, okay guys? Okay, give me a high five. You guys need to shake it off? Shake off your nerves. Don't be nervous, be adrenaline. Shake it off. Try your best not to, but yes. Okay, shake it off. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay. Oh, they're waiting for the judges to finish filling out their squishy.
Diana, there's another group of yours that's showing, right?
They already did it.
Oh, they already did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm with the other little dancers here. Hi. We're all watching and we have our roses ready to give to them. Oh. Okay, get ready guys. Stand up. Okay, they're gonna bow. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, wait at the side. Woo! They're so cute. And then they are running to give the rest of the flowers for those who missed. So the little ones just got done competing. Hi Shoji. My group that's doing show is coming up after dance competition. There's one dance now ending for that. It's a 45-minute skit. So they're at the end, and while that 45 minutes going on, I'm going to be here putting on makeup on the rest of my Bollywood girls. What? What did you say? Mental? I think you said you're mental. Yeah, have their cute little dance jackets on and they're out to go have fun and chill for the rest of the day because they're gonna be here for a very long time. My girls just got done dancing for their show performance. The other one's up there. It's okay. Alright. So we just got done changing. It's 1 o'clock right now. Ate as fast as we could. As much as we could. And now the girls are backstage. Kind of rehearsing. As you can see there behind me. They look awesome. It took us forever to get ready. You know, safety pinning every little detail and make sure it's safe. There they are. Practice hitting your head. I just finished giving them kind of like a pep talk, talking about acting like winners, dancing like winners. You know, that doesn't necessarily mean we think we're gonna win, but that's just to build their confidence. Talking to them about, you know, hitting their hips hard and all that stuff too. But yeah, their eye makeup looks so good. I worked so hard to do their makeup. I'm not good with makeup and I'm really proud of their Angel, let me see your makeup. Don't do that. Be normal. Yes. I'm so proud of myself. There's someone tickling my foot. Is there a ghost in here? I swear I'm just by myself.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Nothing? Hiding? From what?
For no reason.
Okay. You guys must be bored.
Yeah. Yep.
Yes, but dance competition is going to start soon.
We know. No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go back.
No.
Why? You want to come out now?
No.
Okay.
I do not want to hold this. Good job. Give me another one.
We're all done with dance competition. I got my munchkins here. They're on the hunt to go look for everyone and get everyone gathered with their jackets on because they're announcing singing competition right now. Since they're announcing singing competition, they're going to be finishing up counting the scores for dance, and we'll be doing that soon. So the girls are right now, the older girls are in the back practicing their Thai dance in the case of a Thai. It's okay, you don't need lipstick. She didn't want a lipstick for the stage. Okay, you guys got your jackets? Okay. You guys talking behind me.
I just say each one, each team, 2,000 go home. And
This year they wanted us to stand on the ground because there's so many teams. Hey, so I'm at Woodman's. Yes, it's about 5:30 right now, and the competition ended earlier than we expected, which was great because I have to head to Green Bay now to be with my in-laws. I didn't get to record much of what was going on during the the final stuff because they ended up wanting us dance teachers to go up with the dancers when they were announcing the winners, which was a little different. Usually they don't ask for that. So I didn't get the chance to record. I tried to, but then there's we were down on the ground, and then there's the stage, and the guy that was speaking on the stage, which is the program coordinator, was right behind me. So I didn't want to be completely rude, even though I'm just trying to have Milwaukee New Year coming up next weekend. One of my dancers won't be able to make it, so we really have to work on fixing information and working on the things that we need to do to get where we want to get. But at the end, my ultimate goal was to get somewhere. I'm not gonna say specifically because I don't know. I don't want to share it, but for us to beat certain things, and we did do exactly what I wanted there. Of course, the stretch goal was to place, though, but that's okay. Now, my real goal, since we did meet that, is going to change from Milwaukee. I'm gonna want us to, get higher to certain levels, and so we'll see how that goes. Sorry I didn't get to record the end. And yeah, I finally got a car charger now because my battery's pretty much dead. So, bye. See you guys next time.